A guest connects to your Wi-Fi, but the login page fails to load. They see connected, no internet, and give up. These failures are network-level traffic interception issues, not just web page errors. A captive portal is a network-level mechanism that restricts internet access until a user completes a required action on a splash page. It works by intercepting HTTP probe requests sent by the operating system. A walled garden defines which external addresses unauthenticated guests can reach. DHCP pool exhaustion occurs when all available IP addresses are assigned, preventing new devices from joining. Never intercept HTTPS traffic to force a redirect. HSTS will detect the certificate mismatch and block the connection entirely. Size DHCP subnets for peak concurrent devices, not total head count. A24 subnet is almost never sufficient for enterprise venues. Always test with a device that has never authenticated, or testing with an active session will bypass the portal and produce false positive results. Read the full guide at purple.ai.